Yusek Claire Castro will make a fool of herself because Sec Vince will confirm the authenticity of the files that I've uploaded.
3 beses binanggit ni Batangas Representative Leandro Leviste ang linyang yan laban kay Yusek Claire Castro na nauna nang nag-dismiss sa kanyang mga pasabog bilang chismis lang. At tila na-hurt ang ego ng bagitong congressman na tila crush ni DDS Director Daryl Yap na mahilig daw sa 7-Up at ganyan ang itsura ni Leandro dahil katatapos lang niyang magdrama at umiyak sa eksenang yan. Sa kanyang 2 oras na online press conference, 3 beses ata siyang umiyak.
Sir, I am assuming that you saw the YouTube live of Yusek Claire Castro earlier today. Would you like to address her statements?
I already did that. I don't know why she hasn't updated us on whether she's talked to Sec Vince, but the fact that she keeps on making statements, casting doubt on these files, might mean she might not have even talked to Sec Vince yet.
So, ngayon nakakaharap na niya naman ang mga reporters and he's asked direct questions. Puro evasion at deflection ang kanyang ginawa. Tinanong siya kung may irregularities ba siyang nakita at kung ano ang ginawa niya, pero tila deflection lang ang kanyang sagot at malinaw na wala siyang smoking gun.
Sir, naku-confuse lang ako dun sa paki-clarify lang po yung earlier na sinabi niyo na walang irregular doon sa budget data and that, yun nga, hindi enough ito to file a case. So why is there a big deal
Okay.
on this data?
Kung maaari ko pong ipaliwanag. Kung meron 20 billion peso budget ang isang distrito sa isang taon o 60 billion peso budget sa 4 na taon, that's not enough. But it's worth asking.
Puro general claims at sweeping accusations lang ang meron siya. Ang sabi niya, it's worth asking daw kung bakit yung ibang distrito ay may bilyones na DPWH budget. Pero tinanong ba niya ang 51 bilyong pisong budget ni Pulong Duterte? Hindi, di ba? Ayan, so puro motherhood statements lang ang galunggong.